Here we're going over a Nissan Xterra conversion. This model comes with a halogen reflector, low and high beam out of the main reflector. The reflector has been painted a semi-flat black color, and we've retrofitted in the G5-BRT by Xenon. It's using the Apollo 3.0 Black Series shroud. It does match the housing pretty damn closely. It's a factory housing, it's gloss black. And we've removed the amber reflector on the side there. Cleans it up a little bit. It's gonna look really good with blends on. We have done this before. And as you can see, got the hex, the honeycomb etching in that G5-BRT lens. That is a custom option that we offer. And we've got the halos installed. So those are the profile Prism. We'll turn those on along with the demon eyes. These products can be ran individually if you'd like. Right now we've got them synced together. That is the mixed white mode, so it is a little bit of a cool white. If you're looking for a more neutral white, we recommend like a Diode Dynamics HD LED switchback, but these are switchback too. They change colors, so you can go through all the modes and have fun with it in the parking lot. We don't recommend driving around with red or blue lights, but people do it, of course. It gives you a little bit of a custom flair to the project. So if you're more on the practical side, we recommend skipping the RGB products. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. You can reach out to us. We can build this for you if you're interested. And please subscribe.